Good morning students, welcome back to your computer online class. So students, we was in your chapter number 5 and the name of the chapter was More KTurtle Commands. Okay. So students, in my last class I have explained you about containers. Then again I have explained you about the functions of pen up and pen down as well as repeat command. Is not it? So, regarding my last day's explanation, no one has any sort of doubt. So, today we can proceed to another topic, that is your drawing polygon and circles. You will get this topic, drawing polygon and circles, in your page number 57. In your page number 57, you will get this one. I think so everyone has taken out to your page number 57. In page number 57 you see drawing polygon and circle. Here how we can draw a polygon or a circle. Okay, so look at the paragraph. One of the easiest thing to do in KTurtle is to use the turtle to draw different types of polygon. Firstly, what do you mean by polygon? Okay, a polygon is a flat closed shape with at least 3 sides and 3 angles. Usually it has 5 or more. So what is a polygon? It is one of the geometrical figure having a flat closed shape with at least 3 sides. Okay, it has 3 sides or 3 angles. Okay, usually it has 5 or more. Sometimes it has 3 or else sometimes it has 5 or more. Notice that in order to draw a closed polygon, the turtle has to work around the edges, eventually turning through 360 degrees before coming back to the center. Now here, to make a polygon, what the turtle has to do? The turtle has to move, is not it? When it is making a polygon, when it is making the shape of a polygon, it has to move, the turtle has to move the 360 degree. Okay, means the turtle has to move round the center. When we are talking about moving round the circle, it means your 360 degree. So here the turtle needs to move 360 degree. Since the turtle makes n turns for n side polygon. N means where the particular number is not given to you. That's why we are assuming n. The size angle of each turn is 360 n degrees. But we know that to complete a circle we require what? How many degree? We require 360 degree. Clear? Then you look at page number 58. Table 5.3 provide the repeat command you can use to draw different types of polygon in KTurtle. So here in 5.3 you will find here different shapes of a polygon. Okay, here you will find the shape of a triangle. Look at figure 5.3 where you are getting a different types of polygons, like your first one is triangle, second one is square, third one is pentagon, fourth one is hexagon, then sixth one is septagon, and the fifth one is septagon, and the sixth one is your octagon. First what you have got? Triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, then septagon, and the sixth one is your octagon. Clear this much? Here you can see the this one KTurtle. Okay, this turtle is being moving around. Okay, this turtle is always moving around. Clear? And the head is always at the top. The head will always in your top position. In KTurtle, apart from straight lines and diagonal lines, circles can also be drawn. A full circle is drawn with 360 degree and semicircle is drawn in 180 degree. Now students, if it is a full circle, it will require your 360 degree, and if it is your half circle, it will require your 180 degree. This much you remember. If the circle is full, then 360. If it is a semicircle, semicircle means where the circle is half, and it is your 180 degree. A circle can be drawn using the repeat command, that is repeat 360 times. For example, repeat 360 forward FW1 TR1 means here 360 degree has been repeated. Okay. It makes a circle a particular size 5.6. Have you seen a circle? It is your 360 degree. To reduce the size of a circle, increase the number of steps in the FW command and the number of degree in TR command. This will reduce the number of repetitions and therefore reduce the size of a circle. Now, if you want to make your circle size small, if you want to decrease the size of your circle, then what you are going to do? You are going to reduce the numbers. You are going to decrease the numbers. Okay. To reduce or to decrease the size of a circle, you need to reduce the numbers. Clear? Now students, you come to page number 59. Page number 59. Repeat inside repeat. Here what will happen? This is another command, repeat inside repeat. Means your repeat command is repeated again and again. Sometimes one repeat command can be used inside another in order to draw a design. Yes. When this repeat inside is repeated, when this command repeat inside repeat, when it is used, this command is basically used for designing. When in one drawing you want to place several drawings. Okay, in one design you want to place inside several designs. At that time we will go for the command repeat inside repeat. Okay, you will go for the command repeat inside repeat. Clear? Then you see the command, for example, repeat 36, repeat 4, forward FW100, TR90, TR10. So here what happens? Here repeat means 36. Okay. Here it has been repeated for 36 times. Moving forward, forward means where the turtle has to move forward. 100, and then it has to turn right at what? Turn right at 90. Then again it will move to your turn right 10. Clear? It gives us the design shown in figure 5.8. Here 5.8 the design has been shown to you. Clear? This much is clear? Then you come to the next one. Make the turtle wait. Here the turtle has to be in a waiting position. You have noticed that the turtle can be very quick in drawing. The wait command makes the turtle wait for a given period of time. For example, wait x makes the turtle wait for x seconds. So here what happens? Here the turtle has to be in a waiting position. Here the turtle has to be in a waiting position. Means here the user is not in the position, in the current position to start. That time it comes for wait. Clear? This much is clear to you? Try the following command. Repeat 36, forward 5, TR10, wait 0.5. Now here the turtle is in a waiting position. It will wait. Okay, then only the command that has been forwarded or that has been repeated, that is 36, and the turtle has to move forward to 5 and again turning right as 10. Here the user or the turtle is going to wait as the command is given for the waiting position. Clear this much? Here wait command. Wait command, by the name itself we can understand the user or the turtle needs to be in a waiting position. Clear? Then you see here, this code draws a circle but the turtle will wait half a second and after each step. Now here wait 0.5. Here it means that the turtle is going to wait for half a second. Okay. before entering or before inserting the command or before displaying of any command, here the turtle is going to wait for half a second. Clear? Here the turtle is going to wait for half a second. This makes it seem as if the turtle is moving slow. When you will find that the turtle is in a waiting position, you will find that here the turtle is very slow while displaying its command. But in the meantime, what it is? The turtle is in your waiting position. The turtle is in your waiting position. But in the computer or in the screen, it displays like that the turtle is very slow. Clear this much? Understood? No doubts regarding this? So students, I can say that from this chapter the explanation part is totally completed. Okay, the explanation part is totally completed. In my next class, I will give you the question and answers from this particular chapter. Clear to everyone? So today you are going to go through this, okay? Go through the polygon, how we can draw polygon and circles, okay, different types of polygons. Then again, how we can repeat, inside to repeat, make the turtle wait. These are actually from your practical side, okay. Whatever theory I will give you to write, that things you learn it. Clear? And what I have explained to you, you read it, you go through your books. Clear? And in my next class, I will give you the question and answers from this chapter. So students, now I am concluding my class here. Thank you to all and have a nice day ahead.